Well, our top story at this hour today marks another hectic day for the former Pakistan Prime Minister fighting legal battles in Islamabad. In fresh woes, the cricketer turned politician has been formally named in lawyer murder case. As simultaneous confrontations play out between Khan and the army chief and the government and the judiciary, the former leader is becoming increasingly isolated. Analysts say Pakistani authorities are seeking to destroy Imran Khan's support ahead of elections. Khan has been tangled in dozens of legal cases he claims are fabricated to quash the PTI and bar him from contesting elections in Islamabad. There are 11 cases pending against the former Prime Minister. Out of the 11 cases, 8 are with the anti-terror court. Last year, Shah Nawaz Mohsin Ranja, a leader of Sharif's PMLN party, registered a case of attempted murder against Imran Khan. Ranja was attacked outside Pakistan poll panel office in Islamabad, where Khan's supporters were protesting the former PM's disqualification in the Tosha Khana case. The Tosha Khana case relates to the gifts that Imran Khan received from foreign states, which he allegedly bought at cheaper rates and sold at hefty prices when he was Prime Minister. Khan is also seeking bail extension in a mutiny case. In the case, the former Prime Minister has been accused of spreading hatred between the institutions and the public. Khan has also been summoned by the National Accountability Bureau in the Al-Qadir Trust case. His wife, Bushra Bibi, has been summoned as a witness. The Al-Qadir Trust case alleges that Khan, while he was the PM, received land as a bribe in exchange for political favors. Meanwhile, police formally named Khan in connection with the murder of a lawyer seeking sedition proceedings against him. An abetment to murder case has been filed, and Khan has dismissed all the cases against him concocted by his opponents.
उस आदमी का वकील का कत्ल होता है, फैमिली सारी कहती है कि खानदानी दुश्मनी थी, उस पर कत्ल हुआ है, वहां पहुंच जाते हैं, यानी वो पता चलता है कि 9:30 बजे उसका कत्ल होता है, 4 घंटे के अंदर लॉ मिनिस्टर प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस कर देता कि इमरान खान इसमें मुलव्वस था। 4 घंटे। कभी सोचें कि कोई कत्ल हुआ है, कोई इन्वेस्टिगेशन होती है, कोई पता चलता है, वो 4 घंटे में कहते हैं इमरान खान इसके अंदर मुलव्वस है।
Abdul Razak, the murdered lawyer, had filed a petition seeking sedition proceedings against Khan for dissolving his government after the no confidence motion. Police said Razak was on his way to court on Tuesday when gunmen on a motorcycle shot and killed him. Political infighting is common in Pakistan when no prime minister has yet completed a full term. Pakistan's military has ensured dominance over the political elite during periods of martial law or as guardians of centrally controlled civilian regimes. Over the years, the military has repressed political parties and cobbled together regime-friendly alliances. Earlier, we spoke to a Pakistan Bureau Chief, Anas Malik. He gave us some details about this particular case where Imran Khan has been booked for a lawyer's murder case. Listen in.
Yes, Imran Khan is expected today in the court, but this lawyer case, the murder of Abdul Razak, advocate in Quetta, that can be his Achilles heels, because his son, the lawyer's son, has nominated him in the FIR, and under the 780A, which is a non-bailable offence, which means that he was involved in the planning or execution of the murder. That is what he has said. The son has said in his FIR, saying that on the behest of PTI, his father was being threatened multiple times because he sought high treason proceedings against the former Prime Minister. That being said, on to the first part of your question, yes, Imran Khan is expected today. He seeks bail extension in 16 cases, 5 of whom he will be filing, and 11 in which he is already due. Out of those 11, 8 are those which pertain to the anti-terror court, in which his bail is likely to be confirmed. The other 3 cases, one pertains to the fact where he sees proceedings against the Toshakhana proceedings in the lower court. That's number one. The second is a bail extension in the Mohsin Shahnawaz Rancha attack case. That is a bit dicey, but he can possibly get that, because we've seen a precedent of him getting bail in that. And the third case is that he tried, through his statements, to incite mutiny among the institutions. That too can be an Achilles heels, because remember, just yesterday we saw a very hard-hitting statement from the inter-services public relations, the ISPR, the military's PR wing, which said that at the formation commanders meeting, without naming Imran Khan, that those who were involved in this hue cry and hiding or trying to hide under the human rights violations mantra, they would not be spared, and that it's time to tighten the noose around those who've largely been involved in dividing the nation. That's what the ISPR statement said, but largely, or in fact entirely, it is directed towards Imran Khan, without having been named, without having naming him in the entire statement. So that is certainly alarm bells for the Pakistan Tehreek-e-Insaf and Imran Khan, largely speaking.
In fact, at the back of that ISPR statement, Anas also gave us a perspective on Khan's situation politically, and basically, he also talked about the exodus that his party is facing of leaders. Listen in.
But certainly, Shah Mahmood Qureshi said that it is a tough time, and he advised his workers to not be let down and rather wait for the sunrise, because after every sunset that there is a sunrise. That's what he advised to his workers after being released. But there are some very interesting developments. Yesterday we saw that former PTI folks joined hands with Jahangir Tareen, a former Imran Khan confidant, who was ditched by Imran Khan on corruption allegations, and eventually he was disqualified as well. He is forming a new party, a King's Party. He's likely to announce that today. But one of his party members said that Shah Mahmood Qureshi, Imran Khan's most close confidant, will be taking a decision in the next 2 days or 2 to 3 days. That is something I think is very, very interesting. And going forward, in case if Shah Mahmood Qureshi decides to jump ship, though the chances of that are very low, then Imran Khan would definitely be rendered leaderless, or somebody confidantless, and that would definitely be a setback for him, broadly speaking.